9, which says, which enduring issue from the list above is related to the major turning point of the scientific revolution? So you have been offered two enduring issues: need for and impact of innovation, and impact of ideas and beliefs. You have to pick one of these and connect it back to this major turning point of the scientific revolution, which we have been learning about today. Now, it is important that we actually go over the rubric, which is in the pod, but it is also in the Padlet. You have the rubric, you have the enduring issues. Back to the pod. So you have been given a prompt, which is question 9, and you need to respond to that prompt. So to do that, you need to write a claim. Your claim, to earn full credit, your claim clearly states the writer's opinion in response to the prompt without using any personal pronouns. So there's no I, my, we, us, our, etc. Your claim states the selected enduring issue. Maybe you're having a hard time getting started on that. You can just scroll to the bottom and you'll actually see that we have provided you a starter sentence that you can use. You just need to make sure that you pick either impact of innovation or impact of ideas and beliefs. Let's go on to the next part of our rubric. The next part is enduring issue is defined. Now, you might wonder why we're having you define the enduring issue. Well, the reason is if you take the global history regents at the end of the 8th grade, one thing that you actually have to write is an enduring issue essay, and part of the rubric for the enduring issue essay, along with a claim, along with strong evidence, along with analysis, is that you actually have to define the enduring issue. So to earn full credit, you're going to completely and clearly define the selected enduring issue. I might just, point out that you have a definition for both of these right here that you can use, and we suggest that you do use. After you do that, which again, if you need help implementing the definition into the mini historical argument that you're writing, we have a starter sentence for you. Moving on, the next component of our rubric is quality of evidence. We know we need good specific evidence. So, writer identifies one piece of evidence that clearly supports their claim. Evidence is either a quote or a paraphrase from a primary or secondary source. In this case, we are using a secondary source. We are using this secondary source that we use to answer questions 1 through 8 in the pod. Again, you're not using any I, my, we, us, our, any personal pronouns to introduce the evidence. So if you need to, you can use this starter sentence according to the slide scientific revolution, and then you're going to insert that specific quote that supports whichever enduring issue you selected. And the last part of a historical argument is your analysis, explanation, or reason. Writer clearly explains how the evidence connects to the claim. Writer does not use any personal pronouns. Again, no I, my, we, us, or our to connect evidence back to claim. This shows, this means, and then include your analysis. And then it's always really good to have a conclusion sentence. So we're doing like a very, very, very condensed enduring issue essay. An enduring issue essay is a lot more than 5 sentences. We're just giving it a little try. So this is how you will complete the response to question 9 is by following each one of the steps that I just explained to you in this video.